One of the things we get asked with, our very large data set, are we finding any correlations to resident satisfaction and, say, speed, or are we finding certain types of repairs need to be done faster than others? Is it first in, first out sort of scenario? And the thing that we've ultimately discovered when we looked at different things like how much communication was happening, other variables like the types of different instances, speed, all those different things, the best correlation that we found was around speed. And they're not all created equal. So for example, if you've got an HVAC repair, you have 3 days essentially to get that rectified. Whereas with plumbing issues, you usually have about 4.5 days, and electrical 5. And those numbers are milestones essentially to where the statistical likelihood of getting a positive rating drops drastically. And so the data does point to speed, but all repairs are not created equal, which is why you need to really look at measuring those different instances and the types of repairs that you're doing.